Have you ever wanted to create professional videos for your business but didn't want to appear on camera? What if an AI could create realistic spokesperson videos for you in just a few minutes? Today, I'm showing you a tool that could completely change the way you create marketing videos. Let's face it, creating videos is expensive. You need a camera. You need lighting. You need editing software. And if you're not comfortable on camera, the process becomes even harder. Most businesses know video marketing works, but very few consistently create videos because of the time, cost, and effort involved. That's where AI Spokesperson comes in. Instead of recording yourself, you simply enter your script, choose an AI presenter, and generate a complete spokesperson video automatically. The AI presenter speaks your words with realistic lip syncing and natural voiceovers. It's fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Log into the dashboard. Step 2. Choose your AI spokesperson. Step 3. Paste your script. Step 4. Select a voice and language. Step 5. Click Generate. Within minutes, your professional video is ready. No filming, no editing, no complicated software. Imagine what this could do for your business. You can create product demonstrations, sales videos, social media ads, YouTube content, training videos, website, welcome videos, client presentations. Instead of spending hours creating one video, you can produce multiple videos quickly and scale your marketing efforts. Who is this for? This tool is ideal for small business owners, affiliate marketers, coaches and consultants, agency owners, content creators, e-commerce sellers, local businesses. If you need videos to attract customers, this platform can help. If you're looking for a faster and easier way to create professional marketing videos, check out AI Spokesperson today. See the features for yourself and discover how AI can help you create engaging videos without expensive production costs. Click the link below to learn more. Start creating AI Spokesperson videos today. No camera required, no actors needed, no editing skills. Required commercial rights included. Click the link below to learn more.